Which kind word be this? They got them lad my name and I couldn't do about it. Yo, who did they take my bread from my mouth? They know what make they got it. Oh my days. Which kind word be this? Oh, I see.
I didn't know favorite song. When you my way, I didn't know favorite.
Right now, my favorite there. Oil in my head.
Oil in my head.
Yeah.
That's your favorite now.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Oil in my head. When you bought the favorite song, the Emmanuel. And before Oil in my head, the end your favorite.
Before Oil in my head, Uncle Nam my favorite.
I see.
Yeah.
Oil in my head, he says, is his favorite. Kwame, this guy is just simply good. Blacko is a born superstar. He should be mindful not to pitch camp in the music industry. I am one of his soldiers, Fawaz in Amasamang. Look at how famous he's become. Ask him if he sometimes feels anxious or afraid. Do you feel anxious sometimes?
Yeah, sometimes.
And then the money boom.
Yeah, and the kind I made it sure soldier, no? Cause yeah, sometimes you see some comments near there. Yeah, some. And as it gets intense, cause a new feeling. Yeah, cause first now we're all chilling, we just chilling. But right now, over on the internet near there, you see some kind of comments about you, the person. Then you know if you believe safe.
See, but you didn't talk about.
You didn't talk about like that. So you feel they're like, hey, so somebody they think like this about me. Yeah, so it gets that.
Obviously, in Bissau, Blacko to the world. Has he abandoned his education? I know he was in UPSC. Nana Kwama Boating. Now we UPSC.
Yeah, but me dashi.
What dashi? I know I shouldn't say.
UPSC. Me drop it out of UPSC. And me rally go.
Who free UPSC will rally go?
Yeah, it's a new children.
80 Uwo Legon.
Yeah. Level 100 right now.
What Legon level 100?
Yeah.
Who's your thing?
Me work College of Humanities. Me here, me psychology near there.
Oh, yes, psychology.
Yeah, man.
Na ubenya da je sua de.
Yeah, be inshallah, baby.
Ubenya da je.
Inshallah.
Me bisa say inshallah. Me bisa so be say inshallah. Because psychology is tough. You which guy?
Tough. Me first 1 2 say yeah tough, but.
Why psychology? Is there any special reason?
If there should be a reason, yeah, I think it should be like what it will teach me for my music or how it will. I want to, cause I really want to learn about it, you know.
Psychology,
yeah,
interesting.
Yeah, it's hard, but I'm trying. There's no harm in trying.
Here's the oil in your head.
Yeah, oil in my head. TVINW. And then my first debut album, my debut album.
TVINW.
Yeah, the villain I never was. Yeah,
and you have full album.
14 songs, yeah.
I know 14 songs. Yeah. Like what and what and what?
Me mention track list.
Yeah.
Yeah. Number one track, number 1, yeah, the homeless song.
Homeless.
Yeah, the homeless song. Number 2, oil in my head.
Does it have anything to do with your upbringing?
The homeless song have to do with my normal life, not my upbringing. You know, yeah, homeless song. Cause I was literally like homeless when I made that song.
Homeless by choice.
Yeah, by choice. Like
baby.
No, on send me homeless all that time. When you send me cool, because I tell them say I'm cool.
Meanwhile, you don't be cool.
Yeah, and it was for some few things, you know, some few weeks or some few days, and we back on roads, you know. Yeah, so that was when I made that song with Joker.
Okay.
Joker is my producer. Shouts to Joker, man.
Kobe Darlington says his first sermon talks exactly about my life. God bless him. Please play it for me. Mr. Tien de Minyen yo. Obia de India baba. We say first sermon on one life. And can't who asem. We say ask him who's Auntie Mary, the one he mentioned in the second sermon. It is so emotional. Master Planner Junior Kintampo. One Auntie Mary. Auntie
Mary, yeah, mommy.
Auntie Mary, your mommy.
Yeah, Mariam.
Auntie,
my sister, my mention Mariam too. Second sermon. Sister Mariam, no, on my cousin, on no late.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my late cousin. and Auntie Mary me mami.
Auntie Mary or say?
Auntie Mary Oba Ghana last 2 weeks.
No nigga, nothing.
Yeah, no Greece.
Yeah. Into your bio who at the saying.
Yeah, means
we feel
emotional song.
Yeah.
I feel nice.
Black Sherif is in the studio.
Yeah.
Nidine and the Wabunina. Bodini be also Dini Iden.
Mohammed Ismail Sherif Frimpong.
Mohammed
Ismail Sherif Frimpong.
5 years in the next 10 years. I didn't chase her.
I mean, me GD say I was semi shaman. Now me true to my art. And you know me, you know. Like said, me who be ashamed, no. Me keeping the same and up it. And you can't say me the bad down. I don't know me believe you say to me, mama. Dear me pay me be here. Being fully vested in what I'm doing. Yeah.
Or did you send a double quenimum?
Yeah.
Oh, Papa from Port Tiasi.
Yeah, Papa.
Oh, Mamma Tiasi.
Yeah, Mammy.
Unyanum Tiasi.
Me na me Mammy and Papa.
One qua.
Yeah.
Oh, Papa buy a barco.
Me Papa buy two.
And now, oh no, Mammy buy a barco.
Yeah.
Ain't he Unia barco?
Yeah, me about.
A Busiani, you who same womb. Oh, Papa, or who say, oh, Mammy, Unia. How do they react to you?
See, me cause a favorite, but I had to say, who's it? I was seeing behind this guy, I said, oh, my Ubia, Serasa, or my Ubia, and EGS style. Yeah, I've been that boy from time. But I said, I saw Dinka Crane, I didn't see a body woman, about a pewas and so, yes, sir.
Baudi and Yaswa Dinka was sword. Because me show somebody 2 hour board table to a classroom. Now, wow, Kasa Kononguzongo boy.
Yeah.
Now, your friend Sherif.
I
just was what ding.
Yeah, giddy, who's a cracker.
Yeah,
I saw Dinka cracker.
When your nomination European Music Awards and first Ghanaian ever to be nominated for MTV Europe Awards, it will say.
Oh, me recall feeling no me be a Twitter sir. No me check him. Oh, so me send him my down food. So I know check you as a real. Yeah, I'll check him and say yo hard. Me who be me having some silent time is it? Now my dream yeah. Then back to work again.
It's an emotional thing for you.
Yeah.
1 year ni say Baby Drew say. And as he say, oh yeah, babe.
Because anytime I be me like I get any type of news like that, me my dream casting time I made church or back then.
So that time no be answer that.
Me I come in Jin did but I just knew a bit my better. Because it started from 4 lines. Some 4 this lines be. And I may hear back home here church or that.
Safo Kantanka will kanshi or say Konongo Gwen are here. Tell Black who will meet at our ladies' school. If I need our ladies' school.
Our lady. Our lady, yeah. St. Mary's, baby, I'm not down ho.
I just na Udia grow.
Nah, your bobo with you.
Hey, obviously, Mr. said, what did he study at Kumaka? Kumaka, what's your thing?
Me, Kumaka, me a general arts. Now, me options near way. Geography, French, government.
None on your time, see idea.
Oh, now me what class or much try idea now.
Now, but me
chibi them the baba exams so no chiaba. Yeah.
Konongo Zongo to the world. Congratulations to Black Sherif from Komensa Pillar 2. This one says we call him Sherif.
Yeah, man.
He's young, talented, humorous, and has the world ahead of him. My caution to him is to stay humble and let God lead. Farouk in Tema. Jade says Sherif Blacko. He's something else. Until there's Black Hole that Sherif. Well, what do we feed here to us is here? Peace 104.3 million shots of balance. Now, Coco, then, so you need Sherif. Sherif. Ye Sherif, you know, I'm not paying.